Today in this video tutorial, I will teach you how you can create this drop-down using HTML and CSS only. Let us move to the code editor. Let us give it a title of drop-down. Create a div element and give it a class name drop-down. Create a button element inside drop-down. Now let's create another div element and give it a class name of drop-down contents. Add some links inside your drop-down contents. We are done for our HTML part. Now comes styling our dropdown. Create a dropdown.css and link it to your HTML document. First, reset all your default styling. Set margin to 0, set padding to 0 and set box sizing to border box. Now we will style our button element. Select drop down button and set width to 10 rem. Set height to 3 rem. Set font size to 1 rem. Add some letter spacing. Set font weight to bold. Give it a background color of blue. Set border properties to none and set text color to white. Grab drop down class and set width to 10 rem. Set font family to Roboto. Also add font family of Roboto inside drop-down button. Now add style to your drop-down contents. Set display to flex. Set flex direction to column. This arranges drop-down contents in a list. Now grab link class. Set text decoration to none. This removes underline in your link. Set background color to gray. Set text color to white. Set height to 3 rem. To center link horizontally and vertically inside link class. Set display to grid and place items to center. Now to change colors, when we hover and focus over link class, we can add hover and focus pseudo class. So let's do that. Set background color to black. If you are confused about focus, it simply helps you to navigate around your drop-down using keyboard, that is, using tab key, and set outline to none. Let's add hover and focus for our button element as well. Set background color to darker blue. Set outline to none. For drop-down effect, we need to initially remove drop-down contents. So, go to drop-down contents and set height to 0. Also set overflow to hidden. Finally, we will create drop-down effect. So what we want to do is, when we hover over drop-down class, we want to change our drop-down contents height. Currently, drop-down content height is set to 0. Each of these links need height of 3 rem, so in total we need height of 15 rem. This will create drop-down effect when we hover over button element. You need to add a transition properties. This makes drop-down animation smooth. Transition properties should also be added to drop-down button class. Let's arrange position of our drop-down. Select body and set display to flex. Set justify content to center our drop-down horizontally. To make drop-down more accessible, what we can do is add focus to it, but focus will not work in this case. This is because we cannot focus div element and drop-down is a div element. So what we can do is add focus within. This means we are focusing to button element inside div element. And this works. So that was it. You can check out code for this video either in GitHub or in the CodePen. Link is provided in the description below. Hope this video was helpful to you. Do not forget to subscribe and turn on notification bell so that you will be notified when I upload next time. Thank you for watching and I will see you in my next video.